Lip balm tips. Your ultimate guide to soft, healthy lips. Many people overlook the importance of using lip balm correctly in lip care. Your lips are one of the most sensitive areas of your body, requiring proper care to stay soft, hydrated, and healthy. Here are some essential lip balm tips to elevate your lip care routine and keep your pout perfect. 1. Choose the right lip balm. The first step in lip care is picking the right product. Look for lip balms with moisturizing ingredients like 1. Shea butter. 2. Coconut oil. 3. Beeswax. 4. Vitamin E. Avoid lip balms with artificial fragrances, parabens, or alcohol, as they can dry out your lips over time. 2. Apply before bed. Nighttime is the best time for your skin to heal. Your lips are no exception. Apply a generous lip balm before sleep to let it work its magic overnight. This habit ensures you wake up with soft, supple lips. 3. Use SPF during the day. Your lips are prone to sunburn, just like your skin. Choose a lip balm with SPF 15 or higher to protect them from harmful UV rays. Sun damage can lead to dryness, discoloration, and premature aging. 4. Exfoliate regularly. Dead skin can build up on your lips, causing them to feel rough and flaky. Use a gentle lip scrub once or twice weekly to slough off dead skin. Follow up with a nourishing lip balm to lock in moisture. 5. Avoid licking your lips. While it may seem like a quick fix for dryness, licking your lips can worsen the problem. Saliva evaporates quickly, leaving your lips drier than before. Instead, keep your lip balm handy and reapply as needed. 6. Don't overapply. Though using lip balm constantly is tempting, it can also create dependency. Stick to using lip balm 2 to 4 times daily, in the morning, after meals, and before bed. 7. Stay hydrated. Healthy lips start from within. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your lips hydrated and prevent cracking. 8. Avoid sharing your lip balm. Sharing lip balm can spread bacteria, leading to infections or cold sores. Keep your lip balm personal to ensure optimal lip health. 9. Match lip balm to the season. Your lip balm needs might change with the seasons. 1. Winter. Opt for extra hydrating balms to combat dryness caused by cold weather. 2. Summer. Go for lightweight, SPF-infused balms to protect from sun damage. 10. Treat cracked lips gently. If your lips are already cracked, avoid picking or peeling them. Apply a healing lip balm with lanolin or aloe vera to soothe and repair the skin. Final thoughts. A good lip balm and a few smart habits can make a difference in maintaining soft, healthy lips. Incorporating these lip balm tips into your daily routine will ensure your lips look and feel their best, regardless of the season.